is Ride News Now. I'm Alison Haislip. Here's the latest in all things mobility. Despite kicking hybrid booty for decades, Toyota has been slow to dip its toes into the fully electric vehicle arena. That's set to change as the Japanese automaker has just laid out an ambitious plan. By 2025, Toyota aims to sell 5.5 million electric vehicles. Both the Lexus and Toyota lineups will be juiced up with e-options, and a new solid-state battery will make its debut during the summer of 2020. That will certainly underpin the forthcoming 10 new battery electric models set to arrive in the early 2020s. To help speed up its battery electric vehicle development timetable, Toyota plans to team up with a few other Japanese automakers. Since it is Japan, we are hoping this partnership manifests as a large robot comprised of smaller robots.
And I'll form the head.
Yes, you will. Bird just unveiled a sexy new electric vehicle called the Bird Cruiser. Yeah, it's just a sit-down scooter, but it has swagger. Even better, this new cruiser is a two-seater. I don't know about you, but I have, on multiple occasions, seen struggling commuters attempting to share an e-bike or scooter for a short haul in town, which is not only sad and humiliating, but against the rules, you hoodlums. Bird offering a two-seater option as a quick rental is a smart way to expand, and no one else is doing it. It gives riders flexibility and could be a great way to get reluctant folks on board with these programs. Hitch a ride with a buddy, see how fun it is. Next thing you know, you're downloading the app to rent one yourself. Bird Cruisers are launching in select test markets this summer. We're so used to seeing Tesla Autopilot dashcam footage of mayhem, death, and destruction that this close call with a Model 3 is actually kind of heartening. The clip, which was shared on Reddit, shows a traffic merge situation that quickly goes south. Except this time around, the car ahead smashes into the car in front of it, while the Tesla avoids the fender bender by preemptively slowing down. It's hard to decide what's more entertaining, watching the wreck over and over, or reading the Reddit thread where confusion reigns supreme over exactly what the heck happened. Here's a fact. Version 8 of Tesla's Autopilot software bounces a radar signal below the car ahead of you to detect when traffic ahead is slowing. While Tesla's system works well, other car makers use similar auto-braking tech. Also true, there is no finer source of dashcam-related entertainment than Russia. See? For more tech news, join us over at Ride.Tech, and be sure to follow us at RideTechNews on your social platform of choice. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Also, head to Ride.Tech for stories, reviews, and more news.